How to fix GIF not working in Instagram. Now in this video, I'm going to show you specific troubleshooting steps, and here are a few things that you can go ahead and do for you to fix this kind of issue. First is make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version by going into Google Play Store or any app store that you use on your mobile device to download the application. Head into the Instagram application, and this is going to be the best example where you need to update, which is going to be visible on Google Play Store. Hit that and it will automatically update by itself and see if the GIF is already working or not. The other thing that you can do is to tap and hold on your Instagram application icon. Go into this option here that says I. Then you will be redirected into app info. From app info, scroll down, then under usage, go into storage and choose on clear data and clear cache. This will allow to refresh the whole application itself. And those are the things that you can do for you to fix GIF not working in Instagram.